What's up, folks, and welcome to Math Walkthroughs with Mr. Weeb. Today we're adding and subtracting mixed numbers. This is our Lesson 5 action task. Let's see what that task is. It says you add two mixed numbers and the answer is 6 1/3. The fractions have different denominators. What could the mixed numbers be, and how do you know? The first part is fairly easy. All we need to do is find two whole numbers that add up to 6. It could be 5 and 1, it could be 3 and 3, it could be 4 and 2. Let's just go with 5 and 1. Simple, done. Next, we have to find two numbers, two fractions, we don't know what they are, that add up to 1/3. Unfortunately, it's kind of tricky. To split 1/3 into different parts. But if you think about what 1/3 actually looks like, right? Here's a third. All we would need to do is this, and now we've got an equivalent fraction. Essentially, what we've done, we've multiplied both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and we've gotten 2 sixths, right? So now we can take something plus something equals 2 sixths. What could those things be? Well, those things could be 1/6 and 1/6, right? We've got two, that will make 2 sixths. So let's get 1/6 and 1/6 in there. Unfortunately, it doesn't quite answer the question because we need these fractions to have different denominators. But already we've seen how to make an equivalent fraction like this. So let's just take one of these and make an equivalent fraction. Let's take 1/6 and just multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So let's multiply the top and the bottom by 2, and we come up with 2/12. So now we can say that this is the same as 2/12 plus 1/6 equals 2 sixths. And finally, let's put that together with the whole numbers that we got at first. So if we have 5 and 2/12 plus 1 and 1/6, we will come up with 6 and 1/3. And that is our answer. However, we have to go back and look, did we answer the whole question? We did answer what the mixed numbers could be, but we didn't say how we know. So I might say something like this. I chose 5 and 1 as my whole numbers to make 6. Then I made equivalent fractions to find fractions with different denominators to add to 1/3. Next it asks, what problem could be solved with your addition equation? And I might answer like this. My birthday was 5.5 months ago. My brother's is 1 and 6 months from now. How far apart are our birthdays? Next we have pretty much the same situation, except we're talking about subtraction now. So you subtract one mixed number from another, and the answer is 2 4/9. The fractions have different denominators. What could the mixed numbers be? Let's start with the whole numbers again. Let's just say that it's 8, take away 6. Will get us 2, and that's that. For the fraction part of this mixed number, we just know that we need something minus something equals 4/9. So let's just go with 7/9 minus 3/9. And we're almost there. We just need to have different fractions here. So I know that both of these could be divided by 3. So we can make an equivalent fraction by simplifying that one. So let's go ahead and do that. We know that 3/9, they both share 3 as a factor, so we can divide both of them by 3 and find that equivalent fraction. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now we can rewrite this as 7/9 minus 1/3 equals 4/9. Finally, we can put it all together and say we have 8 and 7/9 minus 6 and 1/3, and that will give us 2 and 4/9. And our explanation would look something like this. I know that 8 minus 6 is 2, and that 7/9 minus 3/9 is 4/9. To get the fraction parts to have different denominators, I simplified 3/9 to 1/3. Finally, it asks what problem could be solved with your subtraction equation. I might pose a question like this. The students in Carl's class filled 8 7/9 vans. Each van held 9 students. Simran's class filled 6 1/3 vans. How many more vans worth of students did Carl's class fill? That's it for today. Thanks for watching.